Google Opal is the new agentic workflow built by Google. I'm using this blog post writer to check it out. I will try to make a blog post that will help me learn my AI research, but you can use this for business or whatever. And there are many templates that we will see later. So let's first check how this works. So if I click start, so I will click start and it's asking me to describe the topic. So I'm gonna say how to manually do backpropagation of 2x2 weights matrix and an input vector by hand and math. Let's see. So now it's doing research. So it went here, do research. I guess it didn't go to write outline. I guess something is choosing here. So we can click each step. It will show in this step. And we see the research has this web search and get web page, console. This is showing the entire thing and preview. So console is showing what's happening. Creating banner, image, write outline, do research. So I feel like it already was here, write post, and then maybe display blog post later. Okay, so we got this blog post. And I think it is written. I think this has potential because this is basically a way to make multiple prompts work together. And in my latest video, here, Gemini 2.5 wins gold at Math Olympiad. This is just the basic, this one, the same Gemini 2.5, and it has a bunch of prompts working together, a bunch of agents, and they can solve 5 out of 6 Math Olympiad questions that they never saw before. So I think agentic workflows have a really good potential, and for this they coded it in Python, but this is a lot faster. Even if you know how to code, this is a lot faster. So this has a big potential. I'll maybe use this, or I will try to use this to help me with my research and learning mathematics and AI, and you can use this for business. So we have more templates besides the blog post writer. I just want to mention that this is currently only available in United States. Now, is it ethical? Is it legal to use VPN? Does Google care if you use VPN? I don't know, so it's on you. I see one really interesting learn with YouTube video. So let me actually use my latest YouTube video here. And let me start YouTube URL, extracting transcript. So if you click this remix, it will let you edit these opals. So this one is not editable, so you need to remix to edit it. This YouTube is taking a while. So there is one to make a game. So I told it to make a game in Budapest because I know the city. And it does look, so yeah, it does look similar. So it generated this video, the trailer. And let me watch it. I think it's pretty cool. I think VO, but this is just 2 of these. Okay. So there is just this art and trailer and game concept. It's okay. I thought it would vibe code it, but maybe we can also do vibe coding here. Just different app. So this converted my image into this. It's crazy. I like it. It converted my image into this video. So how to edit this? You need to first click remix, and then you go anywhere. You can click generate and choose here what to generate. You have all of this good stuff. And it's limited with some of this with limited with free tier. And then let's check user input. So we can choose here in advanced settings the type, like text. We can write something here, okay. So if I write this, okay, but this is user input. And let's check lastly, it's user output. And I think all of this is done pretty simply. There are options to choose from here, web page with auto layout. And you can choose which model we generate this output. And we have some system instructions. And we can make suggestions to the prompt and stuff. We can add these tools, web search, get web page, etc. I think it's very simple. Check out other videos on my channel and see you next time.